Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add social header icons to your EDM. So this is a great way to direct your audience to your social channels and keep everything connected across your EDM. So it's a simple feature but can make a really big difference in your email design. So first up, what we're going to do is we're going to add another row just underneath here. And you'll find socials in your content. So we'll drag that in just underneath. And then from there, you can choose from a number of different styles that you want. So you can do kind of like a colored one or black and white or whatever you want to do. For now, we'll do some colored. Perfect. And what we might do is we'll add a header across the entire thing. So if you click onto your row here, you can then choose just to make that certain kind of content area a certain color. So whatever color you want it to be. Or you can choose to have that entire kind of row be a certain color. So just like that. So for now we'll do an entire row. I think it looks good like that. So we'll do like the entire row. It's also a good way just to like make a big strong header at the bottom of your EDM. So yeah, we'll make that colored. And then from there, you can choose whatever URLs you want to put in there. So you can link into your Facebook or your Twitter, your Instagram, LinkedIn. You can also add in all different options here. So you can choose from all of these options here. So if you want to add in WhatsApp or whatever you want to add in, you can also add in those icons there. So you go add new icon, and then you can go to we'll do WhatsApp, and then you can put in your URL to your WhatsApp there. So yeah, perfect. You can also play with the spacing as well. So you can choose, if you haven't got too many icons, you can space them out just a little bit. Yeah, that's a good way just to add some space onto it. Perfect. And then, so yeah, from there we'll just choose maybe 20 spacing on there. So yeah, that's a really great way just to add some socials at the bottom of your EDM. Pretty easy feature to do, but very effective. So yeah, thank you guys.